Every organization needs a visual cue that communicates the amount of progress it has made towards a target. The Power BI KPI demonstrates how effectively a company is achieving its key business objectives. My name is Amin Khan. I am a Power BI developer, work as a project manager for the web development projects, and an online YouTube instructor from the last couple of years. I will guide you to the rest of the process to understand what KPI is, what are its requirements, and finally a practical approach on how to create a KPI. Stay tuned with me. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon so you can never miss any video by Kodegems. So let's start. What is KPI? Organizations use KPIs at multiple levels to evaluate their success at reaching targets. High-level KPIs may focus on the overall performance of the enterprise, while low-level KPIs may focus on processes or employees in departments such as sales, marketing, or production. When to use in KPI? It answers two of our questions. Number one, what am I ahead or behind on? This refers to a specific number, or you can see a target. Number two, how far ahead or behind am I? This refers to the trend that I am following to achieve my target. Let's see some requirements for visualization. The intention of the KPI is to help you evaluate the current value and status of a metric against a defined target. A KPI visual requires a base measure that evaluates to a value, a target measure or value, and a threshold, or you can say a goal. A KPI dataset needs to contain goal values for a KPI. If your dataset doesn't contain goal values, so you can create them by adding an Excel sheet with goals to your data model or a PBIX file. Let's jump quickly into our practical approach. In this example, you will create a KPI that measures the process you made toward a sales goal. First, we will open the retail analysis sample PBIX file, and the link to the download this PBIX file is available in the description below. I will go to that folder and click the file. Here you go. So we are in the report view right now. Now we will add a new page from here. Now we will go to extreme right panel, the fields pane. We will select the sales table from here, and in that table we will select total units this year. We'll go again and minimize this one and go to the timetable. And I will select the fiscal month. This value will represent the trend. Now I will go over here to maximize that visual for you. So you can see over here that it is arranged in the ascending order. Sort by fiscal month and go back for the ascending order. Some important note for you: before the conversion of the clustered visualization to a KPI visualization, there is no option to sort out. You must sort it correctly now. Now convert the visual to a KPI by selecting the KPI icon from the visualization. I will select the KPI visualization from here. So here you go. You have the values available with the help of KPI visualization. Now I will go and set the target goals. I will go back here and select the sales. I will select the total units last year. So I'll click over here. So you can see we have the total unit last year set to the target goals. Let's have some explanation of this KPI visualization. We have the amount, total units this year, and the goal has been set to $500,000. So we are around 18%, or you can say 19% away from our target. Let's see some format options. You can format the KPI visualization by selecting the paint roller icon to open the formatting pane. This one. Here you can see we have indicator, we have trend axis, we have goals and color coding, and other options are similar to the other visualizations as well. So what is an indicator? Indicator controls the indicator's display units and decimal places. We can set font sizes, we can display units, like if I click to auto and click 2000, so you can see we have a K over here, and if we go over millions, so you can set up a unit display units over here with the help of these options. You can set up a font size as well, so you can see the font size has been increased. Now we can have some trend axis. When set on, the visual shows the trend axis as the background of the KPI visual. Like if I close this off, so you can see over here the mountain like visualization has been gone. So this is the thing that we have to turn off to have the better visualization, better trend axis in front of us. Now the third one is goals. When set on, the visual shows the goal and the distance from the goal as a percentage. Like if you can see over here, right now here we have goals indicating in the small font size. If I make it off, you can see over here the text has been gone. Now I will make that on again, and if I want to change the color of that goal, so it can also be done, maybe a better color, and font size and font family can also be set from here, so you can see the difference now. So now last but not the least, color coding. People consider some KPIs better for higher values and consider some better for lower values. For example, earning versus wait time. Typically, a higher value of earnings is better versus a higher value of wait time. Select high is good and optionally change the color setting as per your needs. Like if I change that bad color to the blue one, so you can see over here the change has been done. So from these options we can set some directions for the good color, for the neutral color, and for the bad colors. I will make it red again so it will look good. Now click back to the report and we will play with some custom visualization over here. We go to get more visuals, click over here. So this is your marketplace from where you can get the custom visualization. I will write KPI indicator and search it. Here you go. We have visualization of key performance indicators, includes visualization of status, trend, and deviation. I will add this one. The custom visualization has been added. So here you can see we have KPI indicator, and for the understanding of this KPI indicator, I want to import a simple data set so we can understand properly. Here you go. Select the sheet 1, load. You can see over here the sheet 1 has been integrated. Now we will set up this KPI indicator with the actual value, target value, and the trend axis. I will drop that target value in this field and the sales one to the actual value, and this for the year as a trend axis. And I will maximize this one and go again and sort as ascending. So you can see over here we have the visualization of KPI indicator available, And if you place the cursor on that points, you can see over here we have 2011, we have 12, 13, 14, and so on. If your KPI doesn't look like the one above, it may be because you didn't sort by fiscal month. KPIs don't have a sort option. You'll need to start again and sort by fiscal month before you convert your visualization to a KPI. More questions? If you want to have some questions, so go to community.powerbi.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon so you can never miss any video by Kodegems.